In this video, I'm going to go over why I think Tella is better than Loom. Stay tuned. Okay, first of all, did you see how I had myself full screen and now I have this little Loom-like feature where I'm in the corner? That is all something you can do in Tella. So if you go in and click record video, I was going to let me do this because I'm also recording a different video in Tella, but you can record the video and it like creates a clip and then you can stop it, go back, figure out what you're doing, what you need, and then you can do what I'm doing now where you share the screen. I usually just do my entire screen. Share the screen and it'll create a second clip. And then once you have all those clips created, you can go in. So let me go into one of my videos really quick. You can go into the video and you can edit all of those little clips. This one is published. So let me see if I can edit it. Yes. So you can see I have all of these little clips. It's also nice because I create my YouTube videos using Tella. And so I can like look at my script, see, okay, this is what I need to say next, click record, and then pause, and then stop it, create a new clip. So if you come here, you can even see all of these different layout options. So you could do this circle situation, or you could have like a side by side, just tons of different options. You could have it full screen, all the things. You can make it just be your face. You can create transitions. I don't usually go that deep, but I do use that feature. And then you can change the background colors. This is my orange branded color, but you could do whatever your branded color is. So it just really keeps things on brand, which is not something other screen recorders can do. There's a lot of other things like subtitles and borders that I honestly have not dug into, or zooming the videos. I primarily just use those features as well as trim. So if you go into like a video and I want to trim off the beginning or the end, you can go to trim and it's pretty easy. Just drag it to where you want. So those are just a few of the reasons I love Tella. I could go on and on. I think the price is very comparable. I just got the yearly subscription because it was worth it for me. And I send a lot of these videos to like my clients whenever they need quick tutorials on how to do things on their website and stuff like that. So if you have any questions about Tella or anything else that I use, I will link my affiliate link below. And that should give you, I think, $24 off for the year.